Who is this?
Nicey.
I didn't expect to hear from you, Nicey.
All things with you and Trevor. How is the wedding? How is the planning?
Do not show up at my wedding. And I right after you cross this girl call.
When Nicey I call you for?
I want to be made of honor.
What you tell us?
Now you gotta take it forward.
Who this? Sister Nicey?
Yeah. How are you? I'm back home now.
That sound good. Well, I hope we can link up on a day then, have a drink and all that talk.
I'm sure we can arrange that.
I cannot do that. Listen to me. I am running a legitimate business right now. But I didn't know he was into that. Calm down, calm down. Just give me some time and I'll get back to you. Just give me a few hours, okay? Yes. All right. How the hell did this woman find me? I think I left the light here behind. God. Oh God. Hello.
Oh, go on, Sister Nicey.
Hey, numbers.
Why coming like you run gone a foreign for me again? Now I hear from you.
No, nothing like that.
Think me did tell you so we want to have a sit down and have a little drink, so I'm not hear from you.
I would do really well with that right now.
Alright, so I could locate a place now and you tell me the time.
Alright, so give me about 3 hours and I'll fresh up and send you a location, okay?
I like the sound of that.
Alright, so I'll see you.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Circle me in about 2 hours. Go on, Nicey.
Hi, numbers. Welcome to Kaluga.
It's a nice spot, this is no Nicey. Like it.
You can consider it my little hideaway.
Your place.
Well, something like that. But can I offer you something to drink?
Yeah, but me don't like pay feet because remember say I made it offer you the drink.
So, are you saying I can't offer you a drink and pay for it?
But now I say no. But you know, man a man. So man should do what man supposed to do.
And what is that exactly? What about us independent women?
Nothing. It's just that me I say, yo, me accept the drink. I mean, I don't want to talk about this independent thing. See? We drink a cola again. So Nicey, am me alone I go drink? Cheers. Good friendship. What about your other restaurant? What is going with that?
Call that a dead issue. Dead and buried. Well, in my mind.
So you're going back into the restaurant business. You love the food thing. I like the little spot here. It's secluded, you know? Nice to hide out.
Well, this is just one of the three. I have a salon and a funeral home.
Funeral home? Alright. So I understand the restaurant and I understand the salon, but I never know you in the funeral business.
I was a manager for a chain of funeral homes, both locally and internationally.
I see, look like there's a lot more to you than meets the eye. Never know say you know the funeral thing, so it's something you have a passion for.